Okay, so our next topic is addition of rational expressions. How to divide rational expressions. So the general rule is A over B plus C over D is equals to AB over BD. So BD is the LCD. Okay, BD is the LCD divided by divided by B. BD divided by B is D. Then we multiply it by 8. We times it by 8. The answer is 80. And okay, the next is penalty column. BD plus copy yung copy operation. Lagay dito. Then BD divided by D is B. Okay, so divided by B times C is BC. Okay, do not forget, so the answer is 80 plus BC all over BD. Do not forget that uh, when we multiply variables, the answer should be arranged alphabetically so that it is easier to identify. Although that's general. Okay, so let's start with this. Example number 1, medyo napalit yung lagay natin. So how do we solve this one? So given is 2 over AB plus 3 over 3 over E squared. Huwag yung pansinin ito. Huwag yung pansinin yung tuto. So it doesn't on. Okay, so gagawin natin is for us to get the LCD. Okay, so that I discussed in the other videos yung pagkuha natin ng LCD. So, ang LCD natin sa AB and A square is A square B. Okay, so kung medyo hindi mo pagamay pagkuha ng LCD, you can brush the former videos that I've recorded. So, kasi medyo mahirap i-insert natin dito kasi maliit na space ko ng pagsusunod. Okay, so next step is divide the LCD sa unang denominator. Okay, so pag divide natin yan, ganito yan. A squared B divided by AB okay yan na. A square B, ito yan. Divided by AB, ito yan. The answer is, siyempre, maka-cancel natin ito mga isa na cancel itong B, tapos magiging isa na lang yung A. So the answer is A. Tapos, so pag multiply natin sa 2, the answer will be 2, 8. Next, copy the plus sign. Okay. A square B, sila tuloy natin. A square B divided by A square. Okay, cancel. Ang natira ay B. So that will be B. Times 3 is equals to B. So, okay, it is not factorable na at wala nang ma-simplify dito. So, this is the final answer. So, the answer is 2A plus 3B all over A square B. Okay, next. how about this one? Okay, so the second example is 5 over, sorry for the word. Okay, the, the given example is 5 over x squared plus x minus 6 plus 2x plus 2 all over x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, we identify what is the LCD of these denominators. So, the LCD, okay, sige, sulat natin. X, okay, sulat natin yung pagkuha ng LCD. X squared plus x minus 6, then yung isa, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Although I discuss yung pagkuha ng LCD sa previous videos ko, okay, sulat lang natin dito for us to review. So, factor muna natin ito. Ang factor ng x squared plus x minus 3 is r x plus 3 and x minus 2. Okay. Tapos, ang factor naman na ito na sa baba, x squared plus 2x minus 3 are x plus 3 and x minus 1. Okay. Katulad ng dati, kunin natin ang common, which is okay, so this is counted as 1. Then, baba natin ito isa. X minus 2. Then, yung isa. X minus 1. So, therefore, the LCD of x squared plus x minus 6 and x squared plus 2x minus 3 are x plus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 1. Okay, sige. Burahin muna natin itong mga nagawa natin. Okay, para maayos ang ating solving area. Okay, so pag hindi nyo pagdamay pagkuha ng LCD, tingin doon sa previous videos na ginawa. Okay, so paano ang pinakamadaling paraan para mas makita natin kung ano yung makakancel natin. So, ito kasi, itong x squared plus x minus 6, ang factor niya is x plus 3 and x minus 2. Tapos, ang factor itong x squared plus 2x minus 3 is x plus 3 and x minus 1. Okay. Diba? Kasi i-divide natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin is, okay, una, given this LCD divided by this one, ano ang matitira? So, meron ditong x plus 3, x minus 2. So, x plus 3, x minus 2. So, therefore, ang matitira is x minus 1. Then, times 5, it will become 5 2x minus 1. Copy. Okay. Ito ulit. Ito ulit. Divided by naman dito. Okay, so the x plus 3x minus 1, x plus 3x minus 1. Ano ang natira? So obviously, x minus 2 times ito magiging x minus 2 and 2x plus 2. Okay, isipin na natin. Okay, so yan na yan. Next is, gagawin naman natin is, we will distribute the terms. Simplify natin yung numerator. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. A plus x. 60 times negative 2 is negative 2. Tapos, x plus 2. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is, ilagay lang muna natin ng parenthesis. All over okay. So what is the next step? The next step is, kunin naman natin ito. Ito, ang gagawin natin dito is, pag may nakita tayong binomials taas, ito FOIL method natin siya. So, ang mangyayari is, pag FOIL method natin siya, magiging x times 2x is 2x squared. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Tapos, x times positive 2 is 2x. Okay, adding them, the answer is negative 2x. Tapos kapit 5x minus 5. Di mahirap i-isip. All over x plus 3 x minus 2 x minus. Okay, simplifying further, magiging 5x minus 5. Okay, distribute natin plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. Okay. All over x plus 3